And to the concern, or at least the narrative that some sectors are putting out there, that this kind of mass action will only add to the uncertainty of this country's future. Tila bagang nananakot pa na baka kung saan pa mapunta. What do you say to that, Father Tria?
Our approach is really holistic, and that's the reason why the schools are involved. The CAP, Catholic Educational Association of the Philippines, the parochial schools of Manila, and other ecclesiastical province. Our role is to form consciences, to awaken the hearts and the minds of the people. So that goes hand in hand with all these mass protests. So even if there are no marches, there are no massive protests, like right now, we are conducting many trainings, many talks, many formation seminars, and at the same time, we remind our parishioners to wear white or white ribbon. We will have the praying of the National Day of Prayer and Public Repentance to be launched tomorrow by the CBCP. So there are many activities like the ringing of bells, the noise barrage, in order to sustain this moral fire.